Hello again. It's so much rain here, so much rain. It's raining a lot. Non-stop rain for hours and hours. So this is the road to the shelter. And a normal car cannot come up there now. But we have a strong car and we can go to rescue dogs everywhere. I like this weather. Raining, raining, raining. Close to nature with animals and away from many people. This is what the life I like. And here are my babies. They're waiting for me. Oh, Charlie, it's raining. Oh la la. Sparko loves rain. Shaila, abrazo. This is abrazo. Abrazo and Shaila. Abrazo. Sparko. Sparko is the leader outside. Sparko. Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
How are you?
You make a wonderful job.
Yeah, where are you from?
From France.
We are live now. It's okay?
Okay, yes.
It's no problem. From France, and you came here. You was with Apostolia,
Yes.
and
George,
you
you want to adopt Timo?
you want to adopt Timo.
Of course.
Where do you live?
I don't know, I have time.
I mean, you travel. You have a van. You have a
I
van,
have my van there.
and you travel alone.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
for how long you gonna travel to Crete?
a few months more.
Few months more.
Yeah.
So you can take you want to adopt Timo.
Yeah.
Perfect. And have you spent time with Timo? Timo?
Today we go on the mountain.
Yeah. He was on a leash
With Johannes.
and he's okay with harness, walking perfect. You are good connection with him.
He's perfect.
Apostolia was with you, yeah?
Yeah. George.
George, yeah. Okay, and you will come back again
I come back tomorrow.
tomorrow. So I see you again tomorrow.
Oh,
Perfect.
I have time.
Tell me again, France, you said.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Cool. All right, I didn't see you because I was in the city shopping.
I can imagine.
Nice. Nice to meet you, and I see you again. I see you tomorrow again.
Nice.
Thank you thank you so much.
For all of this.
I try my best.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. What a lovely lady. What a lovely lady. She's from France, traveling here, and she came to adopt a dog. She wants to adopt Timo. So when I was in my city shopping, this lady was outside with Apostolia and with George for adopting Timo. Wow, that's very good news. Timo. Perfect. The lady want to adopt Timo. She sounds very good. We meet the people personally here, and we understand if they get on well with the dog. We get the energy of the people, and this woman, she gave me very good energy. She looks very good person. Amazing. All right, so now we arrive in the shelter. We are in the shelter. Most of the workers must be inside. Okay. So it looks like Timo will have a home, will have a family. Somebody will adopt, the lady will adopt Timo. All right, so I am back in the shelter with shopping. Lots of shopping. Αντρέα, κάτσε να περίμενε με λίγο. Ναι, θα κάτσε να κλείσω λίγο το live. It's very quiet here now. Έρχομαι, Αντρέα. It's very quiet as you see. Let's walk inside to see where are the doggies. And after I will go, because I have a lot of things to do still. So this is very good news with the lady. Γεια σου, this is Yorgos. Let's see. All right, everybody here, everybody inside, nice and warm, yeah? Μπράβο. Ωραία. Δεν βάλετε και καμιά πατάτα. Γιατί μου το έλεγες να σου φέρω από μέσα. Δεν το σκέφτηκα. Alright, very good. Very nice. Nice and warm inside. Let's see the puppies. Oh, the puppies. The puppies are relaxing. Hey, puppies. Okay. Trelula, Lana. That's it. Let's see Max. Yeah, Max. What a good life, eh, Max? He's very old and he's enjoying his life still. Nice and warm inside, and outside lots of rain. Perfect. Okay, now I have to go. Bye bye for now. Γεια σας. Θα τα πούμε μετά. Bye bye.